Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really neat Webflow trick, how to add arrows to your tabs component. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to give your tabs a clean, modern look with arrows that make navigation clearer for your users. If you've ever wanted your tabs to stand out just a bit more or guide your website visitors with a subtle cue, this quick tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First, for this walkthrough, I'm going to assume you already have your Webflow project open and there's a tabs component sitting somewhere on your canvas, ready to be customized. In this example, let's say you have a set of tabs with labels like features, pricing, and about. Maybe you want to help visitors see which direction they can tab through, or simply want to give the navigation a little bit more style. Arrows are a great way to do that. So with your tabs component selected, you probably have a button or tab link right there. Our mission today is to place an arrow image inside that button or next to the tab label. Here, how you do it step by step. Go ahead and click into the tab button, just select whichever tab you want to start with. Then look over at your Elements panel in Webflow and find the image element. This is the piece you'll actually use to represent your arrow. All you have to do is drag and drop the image element right into the tab button. You'll likely see a blue highlight where the image is about to be placed. If you can, try to position it to the right or left of your tab label, depending on where you'd like the arrow to point. Placing it to the right often works well for indicating next or forward motion, while placing it to the left can signal back or previous. Once your image element is inside, you'll be prompted to select an image from your assets. Here you can choose any arrow icon you like. If your asset library is empty, take a moment to upload a simple arrow graphic. If you need an arrow, you can quickly download one from any free icon site. Make sure it's an SVG or PNG format for crispness and transparency. Select your arrow and boom, you'll see it show up inside your tab button. Now it's probably looking a bit large or a little out of place at this point. This is where we tweak it and make it fit perfectly. With the arrow image selected, look over at the style panel, specifically the width setting. You can adjust the width to get the arrow just the right size. For instance, you might set it to 16 or 24 pixels so it looks balanced with your text. If you need even finer adjustment, you can use margin or padding to move it closer to the text or give it a bit of breathing room so things don't feel cramped. If you ever find the arrow looks blurry, double-check that you've used a high-quality image, preferably an SVG if possible. And that's basically it. Repeat this process for any other tab buttons where you want arrows, or simply copy and paste your arrow image to speed things up. This quick trick really helps guide your users' eyes and can make your tab set feel more interactive and visually polished. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like, it really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions, maybe about adding custom icons, styling arrows with CSS, or anything else Webflow related, drop a comment below. Make sure to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.